I'm Shreyas Jain, working as a senior application engineer at ANCA Machine Tools. Today we are showcasing MX7 Ultra, which is a high quality machine. This machine has a 6-wheel changer and with the 38 kilowatt spindle. So this comes under Ultra series, and this machine has got some additional features like motor temperature control, 1-nanometer resolution, and this has got eye balance fees as a standard features on the machine. Today we are showcasing a peel grinding application on this machine, which can grind silicon grinding as well as tool grinding in the complete one setup. So today we have also grind few samples, and we have kept in the showcase to show you the tool types. And also in this machine we can grind complex profile tools like tree cutter and some other applications for energy sector. So here are some samples we can show you. So you can see some bigger diameter tools in this. So we have tree cutters. These cutters are mainly used for blade machining, and also we have samples for peel grinding application. So you can see we have some lollipop cutters. From the raw blank we grind the tools to the 12 mil, and we do some necking operation in this machine with the one single setup.